Hello, good morning everyone. Today, this is my breakfast like this, okay? I eat this tomato omelette egg like this, okay? It's nice. This is green chili, okay? Green chili like this, okay? Nice, okay? Yummy, yummy. Still crunchy. I like it. Eat with this fresh tomato. And then I eat a bit rice, steamed rice like this, okay? Mm. Mm. Steamed rice. Yeah, still hot. Okay. Mm. I drink plain water. Okay. Mm. It's nice. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. See you.